Now, how to repair it? First, we visualize the fistula and then we apply the Ellis tissue forceps at the edge of the fistula.
In the vaginal wall.
Yes. बेटे आपने पढ़ने में आप इनको थोड़ी सी जगह देंगे, आप इस तरफ आ ओके. So now we are holding the fistula. Okay, once you hold the fistula, then you give a circumferential incision around the fistula tract about half centimeter away from the edge of the fistula. Okay, from the edge of the fistula. Okay, and then we place two lateral, if they are large fistulae, then we place two lateral incisions so that we make two flaps which are easy to reflect. For a one flap, it may be difficult to reflect. When they are a large fistulae, we go to lateral incisions so that we make two flaps which can be easily reflected. So we have placed an incision half centimeter away from the fistula's edge, circumferential incision, and if large fistula, we have placed two lateral incisions. Once it has been done, then the next step, forceps. Where is the forceps?
Forceps नहीं.
बेटा उसके बगैर तो नहीं होगा. फॉर्सेप्स कहीं से ले आओ, उसके बगैर नहीं हो सकता. मैं होल्ड किससे करूँगा?
लेने गई.
फॉर्सेप्स तो लाना पड़ेगा. ओके, चलो हम कुछ काम और कर लेते हैं भला. इसको देखो, लेकिन फॉर्सेप्स से पकड़ना है, ये नहीं बोलना कि मैडम ने ये सिखाया, गलत सिखाया. ठीक है. व्हाट वी डू इज we hold with a forceps and then what we do is we separate this vaginal wall. This is a vaginal wall. We separate this vaginal wall from underlying bladder. Okay, we are separating the vaginal wall from underlying bladder all around the fistula tract, all around the fistula tract. Okay, for a distance of at least 2 centimeter.
1 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कमफ्रेंशियल इंसिजन देना है.
नहीं, half centimeter
हाफ सेंटीमीटर अवे फ्रॉम फिस्टुला और 2
from the
सेंटीमीटर
fistula.
फेशियल
ठीक
डिफ्लेक्ट
है.
करना.
और 2 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस के ऊपर आपने
हमने
vaginal
mobilized
wall
किया.
is
I have separated the vaginal wall from underlying bladder muscle. This is a bladder muscle for a distance of at least 2 centimeters. Mobility should be at least of 2 centimeters. There should be a good mobilization so that the stitches are tension free. Tension free. अगर mobilization अच्छी नहीं होगी तो you are applying stitches under tension. ठीक, which may end up in failure. All around the fistula tract. Okay, all around the fistula tract.
2 सेंटीमीटर.
2 centimeter. सारी fistula tract की हमने करनी है. ठीक है. All around the fistula tract. Is that clear? Yeah. All around the fistula tract. Okay. You can see how it is being separated. Is that clear?
जी मैम.
Once you have separated the vaginal wall
wall from the underlying bladder muscle 2 सेंटीमीटर.
all around the fistula tract, then बेटा forceps नहीं है ना, बड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है मेरे लिए. Then you excise the fibrous tissue at the edge of fistula. ये अब fibrous tissue है सारा. ठीक है ना. It heals by fibrosis so that we can get fresh edges at the fistula site. Is that clear? I am excising the fibrous edge of the fistula tract. Okay? All the fibrous tissue at the fistula edge, it is excised all around the fistula tract. Okay, so that the reason behind is we get a healthier tissue for approximation. Is that clear?
जी मैम.
Once it has been done, then we close the fistula.
फाइब्रस एज में ब्लड म्यूकोसा लेयर दोनों हैं.
सबसे पहले ना सर्कमफ्रेंशियल इंसिजन 1/2
5
सेंटीमीटर.
सेंटीमीटर और उसके बाद 2 सेंटीमीटर
नहीं,
मोबिलाइजेशन.
उसके बाद द फिस्टुला इज लार्ज लेटरल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दैट इंसिजन
बेटा,
और फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर
मंगाओ
सेपरेशन
ना,
ऑफ द
ऐसे में
ओवरलाइन.
नहीं कर सकते.
मैम वो लेने
डॉक्टर सफिया हम ना 4 से मैडम आएंगे.
Okay, so what we do is we take the stitch from muscular layer of the bladder. Muscular layer of the bladder. We skip the bladder mucosa. We skip the bladder mucosa.
आर्टरी लगा दें.
ये मैडम थ्रेड.
छोड़ देना.
कोई मसला नहीं.
And this bladder is closed in 2 layers with Vicryl 20 or 30. You can use 20 and you can use 30 Vicryl. Okay.
एजेस से क्यों रखे हैं?
First we take stitches from both the corners and then we take the stitch from center. There is no forceps. I am taking stitch
Muscular
from
layers.
muscle layer
Muscular
of the
wall,
bladder.
leaving the mucosal layer behind.
Yes. And the distance, it should be a watertight closure. The distance should not